My nose itches. All right. It is April the 15th, 2020. It is 3:16. Let me refresh this and see how long ago. All right. Just waiting on 30 seconds, guys. It's almost time here. All right, here we go. Let me type in here so you guys can type if you feel like it. All right. USGS said there was a 5.1 off the east coast of Kamchatka. They've got it 97 miles. Let me put this up a little closer. They've got it 97 miles southeast of Petropaviovsk, Kamchatskiy, at 6 miles in depth. All right. EMSC. EMSC started this off as a 4.9. They upgraded it to a 5.2. All right. They had it at 6.2 miles in depth. Now they've got it at 37.2 miles in depth. They've got it off the east coast of Kamchatka, 81 miles southeast of Petropavilovsk. All right. Now, GFC was the first one to start this. They started this off as a 4.9. Oh, wait a minute. I need to refresh to see if EMSC downgraded it. All right. But right now, they have it at a 5.2. So let me go ahead and refresh. Just see if they downgraded it. And they did. So now I got to put this in the link also. They now have it as a 5.1 off the east coast of Kamchatka. Now they got it back down. As you saw before, they had it at 60 kilometers. Now they've got it back down at 6.2 kilometers. Okay, so let me mark out to 37.2 and put a 6.2 there. Let me copy this. Now they've had it 3 magnitudes. What do you think? All right, and 3 depths. Seriously, folks, seriously. All right, let me get to EMSC. Downgraded after USGS post. And we'll paste that in there. Okay, now they've had it at a 4.9, a 5.2, and now a 5.1. All right, so let me take you to GFZ. That's what I wanted to do to start with, and then I thought about maybe seeing if EMSC stuck to their guns, but they didn't. All right, so let me go to GFC. Open this up as far as I can so you guys can at least see. All right, GFC has got it at a 4.9. They've got it at 6.2 miles in depth off the east coast of Kamchatka. All right, let me show you where this earthquake took place and the closest volcano. Okay, so let me go pull that up. And then we'll go back to USGS and EMSC again. Okay, let's go. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it is. And come on. All right. GFC is the primary data source for this earthquake. So that's what the information I'm giving to you is. All right. That is the earthquake. That is the volcano. All right. They've got it 94.4 miles away. It is color-coded green, normal, and dormant. All right. Let me go see if disaster alert. Well, there's the little. There it is. Let's pull that up. Disaster alert tweet just came in. What do you know? I don't have to go hunting it. Okay. So it'll switch over automatically. There she goes. All right. There it is. Let me read it to you. There was no tsunami warning for this earthquake to begin with, okay? An earthquake of magnitude 5.1 at a depth of 6.2 miles has occurred, 156 kilometers southeast of PETROPABLOVSK dash Kamchatskiy, KmChatskiy, as reported, Russia, as reported by the National Earthquake Information Center, the NEIC, USGS, preliminary. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go up and copy, and we're going to go to the notes, and we're going to add the notes. Disaster alert. I am feeling the phone vibrate with that beep, so that means it was a bigger earthquake than a 3-pointer. Let me go see what happened. India border region, 4.0, 4.6 aftershock, Kamchatka, 4.0, and a 4.6. All right, guys, I've got them all here. I've got them all copied. They're there. All right, who we got here? Hey, Toke. Yeah, I suppose let's come by close. All right, so we're closing all earthquake centers down. I've copied and pasted disaster alert in. I'm closing all earthquake centers down, and we're going to reopen, okay? We'll start off with USGS. As you can see, right there, I think you can see at the very top, you've got the 5.1. All right. USGS said there was a 5.1 off the east coast of Kamchatka. They've got it's 97 miles southeast of PETROPABLOVSK. And then they dash, and then they've got a KmAChatskiy at 6 miles in depth. Okay, let's go see what. Honey, we did not have a tornado. We had up to 78-mile-an-hour winds, though, straight lines. And let me go here. That 4.0 is at the top, but you'll see the 5.0, right? 5.1. Let me type on that. I don't want that. I want that. Okay, EMSC has had this at a 4.9, a 5.2, and now a 5.1. And they've changed the magnitude, the depth as well. When they had it at 5.2, they had it at 37.2 miles in depth. Then they downgraded it to a 5.1, same as USGS, off the east coast of Kamchatka. And they have it 81 miles southeast of PETROPABLOVSK. All right. Now, they've got it at 6.2 miles in depth. All right. Italy. You're from Italy. Welcome. You're new to the channel. Welcome to the channel. All right. Let me copy these notes. We've got disaster alert. Oh, and the closest volcano was 94 miles away. It was color-coded green, normal, dormant. Like I said, GFC, the Germany Earthquake Center, was the primary source for this data, okay? EMSC and USGS jumped in afterwards. So what I'm going to do is copy this. And we'll go right now to the YouTube channel and post it into the description box so you guys can get to the links. Edit video. And edit. Waiting for it to open, guys. And paste. Just want to make sure I've got all EMSC's upgrades and downgrades for you. USGS, EMSC 5.1, EMSC 5.2, EMSC 4.9. GFC has it at a 4.9. There's your estimated release of energy. Primary data source, I didn't put that in there. I apologize. And let's put the miles in there for the volcano. And that was 94, so 94 miles away. Miles away, color code green, normal, and dormant. You'll have the epicenter. Okay, so now we're going to post this, save this. I'm waiting for it to save, guys. And then we're going to copy it, and then we're going to go there and paste it here. All right. All right, guys, I am now going out of YouTube and all the notes. All right, I just want to see if GFC, if anybody else is posted on this one in Kamchatka. All right, I'm going to just check. 4.9, GFC, EMSC, USGS. Oh, Australia jumped in on this one. Now I see where EMSC got the 5.2. Let me go check. It says Australia, okay? Australia has it at a 5.2. Let me see if they have a depth on there yet. Let's go see. They had 0 on the page, and I won't post zeros. All right, let me copy this, and I'll show you Australia as well. These are all the same earthquake. Okay, I need to put this in the notes as well, and I'll put it at the end so I can copy it right into the notes in the video. Australia EQ Center. Paste. Sorry guys, my microphone, I don't know why, it's not picking up when I talk low. And we're going to copy this. All right, Australia has got it at a 5.2 at 23 kilometers. And EMSC had it at a 5.2. Okay, they had it at a 5.2. But they had it at 37 miles in depth. So EMSC had, and Australia did match at one time till EMSC decided to not do it. Let me copy all that. Copy. And now we're going to show you the earthquake in Australia, what Australia said it was, okay? Okay, Australia said it was a 5.2. All right. East coast of Kamchatka at a 5.2. They had it at, go down 23 kilometers. Let me go ahead and calculate for you so you don't have to. Calculate 23. They had it at 14.2 miles in depth. All right. This is all the same earthquake. Yes, all the same earthquake. Different earthquake centers use different measurements, okay? All right, so let me go post this into YouTube also, so you guys have that one as well. Since I mentioned it, I will post it. I'm not going to not post it so you guys cannot see it. So what I'm going to do now is put it in the video. Edit. Guys, we're going to put it right under GFC. So you'll have GFC, then you'll have Australia, and then you're going to have EMSC, because that's important to know, because EMSC used the same magnitude as Australia, okay? All right, that's it. That's what we got. Now what? Okay, that's not. That's okay. 2.1. The only one I'm going to look at is the one in India for the 5 o'clock report. All right, going out of YouTube, going out of all earthquake centers. Let's see who we got so I can All right, what do we got here? KAIF. Naples. Yes, Naples. That's the one that just happened. Naples, Italy. Hang on. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? EMSC. Because USGS hasn't got it on their page. Is that the one you're talking about, sweetie? It will be on the 5 o'clock report, I guarantee you, okay? So I will have that on the 5 o'clock report. It's not going anywhere. I'll write it down. Hi, Salty. Nice to see you, sweetie. We've got 1 thumb up, 4 people here, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people here, 1 thumb up. Not so hot. Guys, I'll have it on the 5 o'clock report, I promise. By the way, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. I have not talked to you before, so welcome to the family, okay? Very nice to meet you. All right, that's what I have. God bless each and every one. Please be safe out there. I am working on the 5 o'clock report, and it's to 3:30. We haven't got that many as of yet. I've still got to add the one from Naples in there. And there was a 3.2 that also occurred. I got to put that in there. Have yourself a great evening. I'll be back at 5 with the 5 o'clock report. Anything major breaks in, I'll go live. All right. Otherwise, you'll see the backyard for the 5 o'clock report. All right. Have yourself a great one. 2 thumbs up. Sending much love. Be safe. God bless. Thanks, guys, for coming in. I appreciate the company. Toke, have a great one. Salty, thank you. Thank you so much, sweetie. God bless you, too.